Three biggest mistakes trading crypto. This is what we're gonna talk about it in this video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. But first, let's talk about Bitcoin right here. Yesterday, we saw a massive pump from around $107,000, 500 up to 114,000, almost almost 6% pump. And here we're coming also to the first mistake people are doing trading Bitcoin or crypto. Number one is chasing pumps. Yesterday already I could see it already on Twitter. Everybody was getting euphoric. Like we had this crazy pump, like in just a matter of 1 hour, Bitcoin pumped $4,000. Everybody was pumped again. Everybody was FOMOing in. Just me, I was still waiting on the sidelines. The biggest reason was because I saw the RSI is getting overbought here, and I knew the market will cool down again. And I also still believe that we are going to touch this zone right here where we had this big liquidation crash. That's one of the reasons why I didn't jump into any longs yesterday, even though we had basically a breakout here from this resistance zone, as we can see it here. We broke out of this resistance here, and then we had a pump and actually even a confirmation of the breakout. But then it looked a little bit too euphoric for me. So there was no fundamental news for this pump. Many people are saying that it happened because people were going out of gold into Bitcoin, and we could actually just take a look also at the gold chart. We have here, this is a gold coin right here, PXG. It's like Tether, but for gold. So we can see here gold dropped from 4,400 down to $4,000, a 10% drop, and at the same time Bitcoin was having a pump. Many people were thinking, is this because of this moving of capital from gold to Bitcoin? I say it's definitely possible, but I was not so enthusiastic about this pump because it happened so fast. Literally in just 2 hours, Bitcoin pumped $4,000, and I was like, I don't want to buy pumps. I'm waiting. I want to buy extreme fear. That is my strategy right now. I want to wait for extreme fear. That's when I'm going in heavy, and I'm taking my profits when there is extreme greed. For now, we can see it basically here. We are in the fear zone. We are not in the extreme fear zone yet. We still have to wait a little bit, and also the RSI is in the middle. We are not oversold or overbought, as we can see it here on these indicators for the overall crypto markets. Now, the second mistake is using too high leverage. If you're using more than 10x without any experience with that, you will probably get wrecked. It's very important that you start, especially if you're a beginner, just use maybe just 2x or 3x at the beginning, learn technical analysis and how to open and manage positions. It's very important. If you open, for example, let's say you saw this big pump, then you open the 20x trade right here at the top, let's say, now you would have been almost liquidated back down here because the market literally erased this whole pump from yesterday. That's also a little bit concerning right now. I think it's very likely we will touch this zone, definitely the 103. That's where I probably start laddering into my long swing position, and next target would be the 100 and $1,000. Let's see if it will go there. I will be happy because I'm gonna buy at a nice discounted price. Bitcoin is still gonna go to millions and millions of dollars, so I'm not worried at all in the short term. I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm just analyzing the charts, and I'm making my decisions based on that. Here we come also to the third mistake people are doing in trading crypto or Bitcoin. It is not having a proper trading plan. No stop loss and no take profit. They are just basically riding the waves without any proper plan. It can only go wrong, guys. You always have to use a stop loss and a take profit. Like that, first of all, you can save your capital. You're not getting wrecked. Everybody who's using a stop loss cannot get liquidated because you're basically pulling out your capital before the big drop. You can always set a stop loss. below the previous low in case it dips down below. Usually that indicates a new downtrend and you're saving a lot of capital. And also take profit. So many people, they open big positions, they make crazy gains, and then they round trip it because they don't take any profit. It's very important. Set 1, 2, or 3 take profit orders and just enjoy the ride. After your position is already in the profits, you can move your stop loss into the profit zone. Like that, you are completely safe and you cannot lose any capital. If you're doing that, you will do already better than 99% of the traders out there. It's as easy as that. Very simple, very straightforward. Just make sure you're not doing these 3 mistakes and you'll be already better than 99% of the people out there. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.